Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Brian from Apex Detail. With windows and glass being the least favorite part of the detail for me, I thought I would share some of the tools and products I use to quickly get me through the process. Stoner's Invisible Glass and their simple to use reach and clean tool, both the old version and their newer version, which I can compare, and yet another product to be an additive to your windshield wiper solution to clean and repel water. I'll show you that later. Here we have a windshield. It has compounding residue from the correction process and streaking on the inside and gassing from the inside, and probably a smoker as well. We break out the invisible glass foamer. This is a tint safe version and a streak free version, and it does exactly what it says it can do. There I just showed you the towels that I favor for window cleaning to especially buff off some of the window cleaners. And those are the Surgery Huck towels. They are lint free and they are fantastic. For the exterior of the windows and working in a shop environment, I'm not worried about overspray blowing on the finish of the car, so I'll just spray directly on the glass. If I was working outside, I would just spray onto the towel itself or the Clean and Reach tool and clean from there. Doing it that way, I have two towels. The first towel, I will lightly spread out the product and then pick up the grit and the dirt from the compounding solution and liquids so I don't mar the glass in any way. And then pick up the second towel and buff to perfection from there. And here's a first-person view. Easy to use, very effective. As for the Clean and Reach tool, this is the original version. It has a nice soft foam handle grip, has the spade shaped head that you could put your bonnets on. Three different types of bonnets. You have a squeegee bonnet, a cleaning bonnet, and a buffing bonnet for glass. I also flipped the tool over having the microfiber bonnet installed and clean the dash as well. That way you don't get any type of product that you're using to clean or protect the dash up onto the glass. I'll just grab and install one of the microfiber bonnets. When I spray and clean the interior, that's what we're going to do next. I will put one stripe across the middle and then work it into the rest of the glass, or for the most part, to avoid overspray, I'll just spray directly into the bonnet itself and get to work. The bonnet head is shaped in a way that doesn't matter where you're sitting. If you sit in the center of the car, if it's not stick shift and there's not a center console that's running too high, you can shift towards the center of the car and reach the entire windshield with this tool. The head also conforms with windshields, so you're making contact with 100% of the bonnet and the bonnet head. And remember, the bonnets are reversible, so you're getting two sides of the cleaning surface. You can see how easy it is to reach into the corners. I'm skinny as hell and my fingers don't even fit in there. And when you're done, you have a crystal clear glass or windshield to view out of, no streaking. They also have an updated version. This is the Wetdry Pro, and this comes with two heads, two bonnet heads. Different shapes to fit in different situations with all the new vehicles and their pointy windshields nowadays where it's really hard to reach. This is another addition for the window cleaning arsenal. The kit consists of 3 bonnets for each head. There are 2 bonnet heads in this one. They are reversible, and it comes with a storage bag to either store your new bonnets or used ones waiting to get washed. You can actually fit the whole kit in there, just hanging on a wall. The tool now comes with an extension for the handle. Cleaning large RV windshields or vans where it's pointy and really hard to reach, you now have an option to get in those spaces. And when it comes to the bonnet heads, here's the original and an additional one that now comes with it, a smaller size, different shape. The design of this vehicle, the back window, is a great example as to when you want a tool like this, with or without the extension. My arm barely reaches in there, and to get your shoulder in there and try to reach in and get the back corner, my fingers can't even fit in there if I could even reach it, so this tool's perfect. Sit right in the middle and you can get the whole back window. Not quite reaching into tighter spaces with the larger original shaped bonnet head, swap it out with the newer football shaped bonnet head and get back to work. And one more item to share with you, and that is the clean and repel. You just simply dump the entire contents into the washer reservoir, fill the rest with water, and you are good to go. This formula here not only cleans, but lays down a water repelling layer as well. The kits we used here in the video today can be picked up on an average of $13, $14, maybe $15, depending on where you look. I will try to remember to put links down below. I find them very effective and stock them here along with some of the other products from the company that deal with trim and tires. If you're enjoying the content, please be sure to like, subscribe, share the content, hit that notification bell. That'll let you know when we have new videos.